Thought you were bringing a slushy, dude.
It's because I thought it was late, you know. I might go get a slushy. How do I pop this open?
You want to be on YouTube or what?
I want to be on America's Got Talent.
Man, dude, it's a party now. Is that an eco booster? I heard you messed up you ruined your boss. What did you do?
I ruined my boss? Yeah, I always ruin my boss.
Walk me through, what'd you get?
You could play movies too, but...
What kind of movies?
Any movie, bro. Tells your RPM and your speed, your radio.
Well, you have it, guys. Art ruined his Boss Studio 2. His probably the first Boss Studio 2 with the Tesla screen, so I guess we'll give him a thumbs up for that one. All right, guys, so today is Thursday. We already washed up the cars pretty nice. We got Art in the Boss, Sergio, Martin, and Luis in the Scat Packs, the Scat Pack squad over there. So we're gonna go ahead and cruise over to spot number 1. Lately, we've been having a lot of issues with the cops, like raiding all the spots. So hopefully we have better luck. We are showing up a bit early this time around, so I don't know what's gonna happen, but let's go have some fun. Look at this, guys. Beautiful weather to hang out today, do some cruising, have some fun with the guys. Currently 83 degrees outside. You guys already know, if y'all been watching, Mia comes on a lot of videos. She loves cars, but she is kind of scared of all the noises goes on, but she just enjoys being around us, man. The loudest car you guys will ever hear, man. If you guys have heard any louder Mustang than his, comment down below, tag that person, because I believe his Boss Studio 2 is the loudest Mustang like out there or I've ever heard in general, guys. So give a thumbs up for this guy. Dang, guys, I feel like I should have brought the V6 out today. It's just real different driving around with the EcoBoost. Like, it doesn't have an exhaust or anything. It just has that blow-off valve. It doesn't make it as fun to drive without making all that noise and messing around like that, revving and just flooring it. So I'm kind of having regrets right now not bringing my car instead of my wife's. It's just really different. It's not as fun. Like, listen to all that, guys. It's just not as fun, man. All right, guys, so we just came here to take a quick picture, and I'm gonna drop off me actually with my wife. My wife wanted to pick her up. But look at this, guys. Beautiful, beautiful scenery right here. It looks freaking nice. All right, guys, so it's currently 8:48 p.m. Let's see how long we're gonna be here till the cops start showing up and kick everybody out. The what? Every single time.
I'll do it if it's like maybe 2 or 3 of us, see. But toda la bola? Nah, bro, I'm not with that, dude. I ain't about to crash today.
Yeah, we're going.
Hey, you're not gonna go anywhere.
Why?
It's a city owner's violation of your driver's license.
It's a what?
City owner's violation to be congregating McAllen.
Okay.
You have anything in your car?
No, sir, not at all.
Okay.
Nothing clean.
I thought I got a little whiff of something.
Oh no, heck no, man. No way. Oh, this guy getting tickets. No way. You're kidding me. Yes.
Phone number where you can reach that?
Yes, ma'am. 956-3. So this is a fine, ma'am?
Yes.
What was the reason, ma'am? I'm sorry.
For congregating. We've been having problems with congregators here. The only thing that I will tell you, maybe if they can give you deferred adjudication, you give you probation for 6 months. Well, regardless where you come hang out, racing, whatever, we're giving tickets left and right. So just let your buddies know.
All right, guys. So pretty disappointed, man. We ended up leaving the car hangout, the car meet with a citation. We actually got a ticket. I'm not lying, right here. They gave us a ticket because they said we're not supposed to be congregating in the city where we were at in McAllen, Texas. So they did give us a ticket for that. Me and my friend Martin, the guy with the white Charger, and some other Camaro, we all got cited for it. I don't know how much it's gonna be. They just said I have to show up to court. If we don't show up, they just said we're gonna get a warrant out for us and stuff like that. So I have about 2 weeks to show up to that. But yeah, it kind of sucks. Out of all the people there, about freaking 50, 80 cars that were there, your boy is the one who gets a ticket. So I don't know. The only option they said I could probably get is to go on probation for 6 months, I guess, without a license, and the citation will get erased off my record. But I don't know. I'm gonna have to go to court and maybe appeal it. I don't know. That sucks. That's money down the drain. I definitely don't want that on my record. So yeah, guys, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Hope you guys did enjoy the video. Hopefully this doesn't stop me from making videos, or I mean at least going out anytime soon and doing videos for you guys. But I'll catch you guys in the next one. God bless.